Meet ContentCheck, an easy-to-use cloud-based solution that leverages AI technology to automate the classification and review of political video ads. Replacing what has been a manual review process, ContentCheck streamlines the workflow and increases ad revenue opportunities. To get started, we can import an unlimited number of videos at any time into ContentCheck using an API, custom integration, or manual upload. Once imported, we can view or edit critical information about each video. ContentCheck can analyze each video for multiple classifications. In this instance, we will check to see if this video meets the standards for political ads. Click Run Analysis. In just a few seconds, ContentCheck reviews the video content and generates a report. Here, we can see the video has been classified as a political ad. It meets requirements specific to candidate messaging and endorsement and is compliant with all other federal, state, local, and provider-specific standards and regulations. Additionally, ContentCheck pinpoints exactly where in the video each evaluated element occurs, enabling us to quickly drill down for more detail if necessary. If the video does not meet the internal standards or regulatory requirements, the report calls the issues out accordingly, alerting us as to why it failed. We can access metrics to get information on video reviews. The reports section is where we find data for any of the previously ContentCheck videos. ContentCheck is a fully managed solution that runs on Pure Integration's established and trusted Bullseye platform. There's no hardware to manage, and it can run 24/7, allowing you to easily expand capacity when needed. ContentCheck your political ads today.